Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by consolidating and backing up your iTunes library so files don't get lost. Once done, sign into the same Apple ID in both iTunes and Apple Music. This links purchases and playlists. Make sure apps are updated and disable plugins that alter metadata. They can block syncing. Now, open iTunes and the Music app side by side and check that local media paths are valid. This sets the foundation for a smooth transfer, reducing mismatches and duplicates. Next, you convert any unsupported formats and tidy metadata so Apple Music recognizes tracks. In iTunes, consolidate and convert files to AAC or MP3, then enable Sync Library iCloud Music Library in the Music app preferences. This uploads and attempts to match tracks to Apple's catalog. Make sure playlist names and album art are consistent because matching uses metadata. If a song fails to match, it uploads as is. Once uploaded, verify playlists and cross-check that play counts and ratings carried over. To finish, confirm the library on each device. Look for playlists, offline downloads, and play counts to ensure everything's synced. If tracks are missing or appear duplicated, force a library rescan and toggle Sync Library off and on. Sign out of Apple ID and sign back in to refresh. For stubborn items, re-export and re-upload problem tracks. If issues persist, restore from your backup or run Apple Support Diagnostics. This final sweep closes gaps and keeps your music consistent across devices.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.